The weekly code quiz. Why use good structure when writing code? Another key to making your website more accessible is by using good structure when writing your code. Identify major sections as discussed with last week's ARIA landmarks and the HTML5 that identifies the header, main, footer, sections, articles, asides, and navigation. Screen readers will also use your headings to help navigate through the content, so it is important that you label content with the appropriate hierarchy. Emphasize important topics by using H2 and H3 headings, while reserving the H1 for the primary title of the page, and breaking up supporting content and identifying them with lesser headings H4 through H6. Don't use headings because they make the type size bigger or for stylistic purposes. This should be the job of your styles or cascading style sheets. Avoid skipping headings, as the devices may think content is missing. So for example, don't go from an H2 to H4 without using H3. Why label paragraph text? Paragraph text should be labeled as such and use ordered lists to help break up the content so it is easy to pick up key points. Your website should be organized so your user is not confused, and this will help those navigating your website using assistive devices such as screen readers. Writing clear code is a key to accessible design, and this will come with practice. Always imagine that your code will be read by another person, and they need to be able to understand it. It will help you to not take shortcuts that only you understand. Follow accepted best practices when writing your code. Presented by Designers Learn Code.